Hey, how's your day going? I hope it's going well. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 psychological tricks in order to help you save money. With the way the economy is going right now in 2022, how everything has been going on leading up to what what a lot of financial advisors believe is going to be a recession. Obviously, recessions must happen. They happen every once in a while, and it is healthy for them to happen, for the stock market and the housing market to correct. Everything cannot go up forever. Usually, I upload at least 5 videos a week on topics like psychological tricks, motivational habits, workout advice, nutritional knowledge, honest reviews on products that I use, and everything that you need to make yourself better. But right now, we're going to be talking about these 3 tips to psychologically trick yourself into saving more money. Number 1, I would say, is to use cash instead of credit cards. Using cash will allow you to see what is going out. If you're at a restaurant and you spend cash, if you're at a gas station and you spend cash, if you're purchasing some leisure items or whatever it may be, if you spend cash, you get to physically see that cash go to the person for the service and or product that you're receiving. You get to see what's going out from your savings. And a credit card is really, really easy to just swipe it and move on with your life. And you really don't even think about the fact that the money is coming out of your savings. So my tip number 1 is use cash more often and credit cards less often. Tip number 2 in this topic would be put your money in the bank. There's a really great rule that essentially breaks down to putting 20% of your money away as soon as you get it. So if you get a check worth $100, let's say, just to use easy numbers, then you would be putting $20 away immediately, right as soon as you get that check. You receive the check, you know that you're depositing it, but the way that I do it is I get that check, it's in my hand, I go on my bank account, and right then and there, if it's a $100 check, I deposit $20 into my savings account, which is my stock trading portfolio. Wherever you save your money, I would put $20 right away then and there. I pretend as if I do not have that money in that location. So one day it's $10, $15, $20,000, and if you need it, it's there. And tip number 3 is to pay yourself, motivate yourself, push yourself further with everything in life, and this includes paying yourself. Whenever you get paid, pay yourself. If you want to reward yourself for, like in our other videos, we've talked about when you goal set and you reach those goals, if you want to pay yourself reaching those goals, this is the fund that pays for those rewards. Pay yourself, whether it may even be $5 a check, it may be $10 a check, but whatever it is, pay yourself, and therefore a little bit will come out for those leisure times. So you're essentially you're saving for things that you would have done anyways, but you're keeping more track of it, and it makes you feel better as well. I do this as well as the 20% directly into my savings right away as soon as money touches my hand. Well, I appreciate your company in this video, and you're beautiful. You're a king and or queen, and you deserve the best in life. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to win the day. I'm trying to make a video, and then I got homework to do. Go.
Snuggle, the greatest snuggles.
Oh my goodness. I'm trying to make a video.
Snuggle, the greatest
Oh
snuggles.
my goodness.